Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to make this quick video. It's kind of like a unboxing, but not exactly. I wasn't gonna make this video, but then I opened this box and I saw how well these parts were packaged. Had all this stuff on there, and my parts were not due for shipped. I was gonna pick them up at the shop, so I figured I'll make like a quick time lapse of me unboxing everything, kind of as I go, and doing a time lapse of me installing everything. So what this is a Dirt King long travel lift kit for my 21 Silverado that I have there. And I bought this kit about a year ago, and I've been waiting on the shocks. So I waited this whole time on the. I've been waiting this whole time on the front shocks. They had the rear shocks because I got the Fox, the DSC. I really could have gone with the King shocks, and they were in stock, and they were much cheaper as well. But I didn't really want to sacrifice quality. I know a lot of people are gonna hate me for this, but I honestly believe that Fox is superior to King. That's just, a biased opinion there. So I'm probably gonna get murdered by the keyboard off-roaders. But yeah, these are the DSC ones, and I still haven't received my front shocks. And who knows when I'm gonna get them. And the thing is that I'm in Vegas, and right now it's towards the end of February. It's still fresh out, and I was gonna wait till I received them, but I'm afraid I might get them once it's summertime. And the last thing I want to do in summertime is be working on my truck over here on the side of my house. So I figured I'm just gonna install everything that I have and run my stock front shocks. Maybe slap some cheap eBay spacers to make up height for the height that I need. It's like, I think it's like 2 or 3 inches or whatever. Just for the time being, just so I could kind of get it out the way. And yeah, I will post another video on a time lapse of me installing all the stuff and unboxing of all this stuff. Man, those guys at Dirt King, awesome people. Killer customer service. Their communication is crazy. They like, no matter what, they're always answering questions, and whenever you need anything, they answer your emails. They respond, I guess you can say. So I also got the Deaver leaves down here. They're laying down under my trailer. But yeah, guys, I will post another video here pretty soon. Thanks. Alright, guys, just a little criticism. I know this is kind of lame on my part for criticizing such a nicely built kit. This is one beautiful kit. I mean, look at this. I really haven't seen anybody else do this. And then the fact that they run Moog ball joints, so for whatever the case may be that you might want to replace them, it's all Moog stuff, but this is what I have to criticize. So check out these awesome shock mounts on the top hat. I don't know what they call them. But one thing I cannot stand, this is just me being anal, is the shank of the bolt not protruding all the way to the second cheer. So I'm gonna change all these bolts out so that the shank goes all the way to over here, because I don't like stuff mounting on threads. I mean, look at these beautiful bolts though. Oh, man. These things are absolutely beautiful. But my personal preference, the shank for I don't know, I'm weird, I guess. I need the shank to come out all the way, at least to the very edge. And I'll just put a washer or whatever. Same on these bolts. I'm gonna have to replace these. I mean, there's nothing wrong with this with these bolts, you know, but that's just a syndrome that I have. Beautiful hardware, quality stuff, none of that. I've received parts before where the washers break as soon as you tighten the bolt or whatever. I mean, look at these welds. This is pure quality here. It's as good as it gets for my truck without having to cut and weld a full-on race kit. But yeah, guys, see, so this is what I like. I mean, even though it's still a little short, but I like the shank going all the way through to the second shear. I'm also going to replace this bolt because I don't like the threads riding on the shear here, or the tab. I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it. But absolutely beautiful kit. And look at this awesome hardware. They gave me some sweet little stickers too, so I could slap them around my truck, I guess. Put them on my wheel center caps. No, I'm kidding. This will be nice for like my toolbox or something. But anywho, oh, and I also got these axles. So if you do get the axles, man, I would say just bite the bullet and buy the complete assembly, because the axle, what's it called? The cup itself, where oh, I forget what it's called. Pretty much the cup that this goes into, the cup that goes into your differential and then into your wheel bearing or your spindle. When you buy their complete axles assembled, they machine their cup. They add, I think, like a 25-degree angle inside of the cup itself, to compensate for the articulation of the axle. So I'm gonna have to talk to them tomorrow and see if maybe I could send mine in to have them machine them, or if they don't offer that service, I will probably just have to buy a whole second set of complete axles. Sucks, but it is what it is. But awesome axles. They're longer, obviously. But yep, that's it, guys. Just a quick little unboxing. Amazing hardware, amazing stuff here. It's just considered heavy artillery in my books. Little baby limit straps, but they'll do. Alright, cool, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks.